At level 5 now, there's a Teo Heng KTV studio and 101 hair consultant, as well as a Hua language center, travel agencies. There's some kind of shop in front. At level 5 now, there are a lot of restaurants here. The first is the Hunan, Shenzhen Hunan. Then with the Pizza Jet Hong Kong Kitchen, Pizza Jet Ramen, Xiaolong Bao. It's quite a privacy dining right here. Ichiban Boshi. And look at that, Wang Lu Hot Pot and Dian Xiao. Oh man. Wang Lu Hot Pot. Seriously, I've not tried this Wang Lu Hot Pot before. Look at this, the whole level 5 is dedicated entirely to the dining experience, the restaurants. I think a few hundred diners are eating right now. The time is like 8:20 p.m. on a Friday evening, Friday night I mean. On the left side the sushi roll and right side the Bali Thai. sushi roll looks quite nice, but the light a bit bright. And some snakes sold here. See, I'm looking for the pineapple tarts. Not sure if they sell this. I don't think so. But there's a travel agency here. It's a salon for ladies. Guess what? There's a KTV, Tioheng KTV here. In a Hua Language Center. Raffles Medical. There's courts as well. That's your aesthetic clinic and some of the shops over there. Wow, there's a flower shop in front. A facial shop called K-Skin. This is a Challenger. I came across this shop selling branded handbags. Look at the coach. The prices are stated. This is 390. But just now I saw this 1850 and there's a 950 here. Wow, look at this plush toys. This with the flowers 109 melody. And the plush add-on 52.90. Doraemon. Just amazing. SK3 shop. The PCM shop special. Really plush toys. Some nice stuff here. Inside Kitty Palace right now, lots of toys. It just seems like closest. And there's a nice Swensen restaurant here. And some other Japanese restaurant, Aburi, Tokyo Sukudo, Teppanyaki. We have the weekday lunch sets here. The Ocean massage chair here. Christmas tree. Check the rest. Yoshinoya, Moss Burger, Texas Chicken. Men's Cut Vincent watch. Oh, I think they're ice cream here. There's a nice shop here for the basic cash. Instead of gold and even handbags. Money next. Body shop. Bath and body waste. Skechers. Wow, cosmetic and stuff. Taiwan snacks here. Famous Amos Dunkin' Donuts. Wow. Nippon Home, come here and buy some household stuff. like trolley or even the luggages. Fully French roast chicken. Baby friends, pasta mania. So Causeway Point is like more of a dining paradise than shopping. Because I see so many restaurants from level 7, the Canteen Kopitiam, to level 4, the Kopitiam. I mean level 4 Food Republic, and then some mini cafes at level 3 and level 2, and then now the basement, yeah. Even the chicken rice, the yakun. Wow. RROOLL. Tiong Bahru Sri Kui. Michelin. I didn't know there's a tender fresh express here. Basically, it's like you buy the fried chicken, spring chicken. I don't think it's full price because at some hawker center they sell at $9.50 or even $10 for the roasted spring chicken. And guess what? There's a fair price finance here, so market. Iku. Oh, look at the BBQ. For this bakery right here. And there's a wall here at the corner. And this shop, I think, is some kind of TCM shop. They sell some herbal tea. Subscribe now if you enjoyed the video and give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much.